top right, click on new repository. Okay, you have to create a repository name. So for my case, I'll be using my name, right? So I'll be saying Chimudindu portfolio. Okay, so I'll be saying Chimudindu portfolio. Okay, I think this is good. This is my description. Then I'll ensure it is made public. Yeah, ensure that this is made public under choose visibility. Then for the readme, I'm going to turn it on. Okay, I'm going to turn it on. Then yep, I'm going to click on create repository and wait for it to be created. Okay, so my repository has been created. Okay, so now the next step now is to work on our readme. So I'm going to click on this readme here, right? Yep. I'm going to click on edit file, which is come to your you see some icons on your top right. You see raw, you see copy raw file, you see download raw file, and you see edit this file. So I'm going to click on edit this file, right? This is built-in code that has been written for us, so I'm going to delete it. So I'm going to delete what is here. Do I need it? I don't think I need it. Okay, so now I'm going to add Markdown. One thing you should know is that GitHub uses Markdown to format text in README files. Okay, when you have one hash, right, this is used for the main title, for example, your project name. Okay, then when you have double hash, this is used for the section, right? This is used for your section parts. For example, your overview, the tools you used for your analysis, the tools you use for your analysis. Okay, then when you have triple hash, okay, this is the subsection. For example, it's used for the details inside your section. I don't know if that makes sense. Okay, so this subsection, this is used inside your section, is the subsection, right? That is the details. It is used to explain the details inside your section. It is used to explain those details inside your section. Okay, so okay, I believe this makes sense, right? Please let me know in the comment section if you understand what I just explained. So now we're going to now demonstrate what I have explained using the single hash, the double hash, and the triple hash, right? So now let's start. So I'm going to title my work Amazon Sales Analysis in brackets Excel and Power BI. Okay, then next I'm going to talk about This now is going to be a section, right? I'm going to talk about my project overview. Okay, so I'm going to use the double hash, right? I'm going to say project overview. Then I'm going to say this project analyzes Amazon sales data to understand product performance, pricing, discounts, rating, and customer sentiments and customer sentiment score. And customer sentiment, I can still leave it as that. Okay. So I'll now go ahead to state what I used to perform this analysis, right? So I'll now say the analysis was carried using Microsoft Excel and Power Query. For data cleaning. Okay. And Power BI for visualization. All right. To stop. So this is it. Okay, I'm going to add another section to this. I'm going to say tools used, right? Okay, tools used. I'm going to say Microsoft Excel. Okay, I'm going to say Power Query. Then Power BI. This is supposed to be in caps. Yeah. Power BI. All right. So now the next section I'm going to add will be my data description, right? Don't forget double hash for section, right? Single hash for your title and your triple hash for your subsection. Okay. So this will be data description. So I'm going to state by saying that the data set contains Amazon product sales information, including the data set contains Amazon products sales information, including the data set contains Amazon product sales information, including product ID and product name, product ID, product name, it's supposed to be in caps, okay, category, actual price and discounted price. Actual price, yeah, discounted and discounted price, discounted percentage, product rating and rating counts, user ID, image link, product description. Have I written product description already? No. Yeah, product description, username, yeah, username, review contents. So all this is what my data contained before I cleaned the data and took out some columns that I don't need for my analysis, right? So now I'm going to add another section, which will be data cleaning process. Data cleaning process. Okay. Data cleaning process. So now I'm going to say that the data cleaning was performed using both Excel and Power Query and included the data cleaning was performed using both Excel and Power Query, right? And included, then I'm going to list them. Okay. I'm going to list the steps I carried out in the process of cleaning my data. Okay. I'm going to say 1, I removed duplicated records, right? Removing duplicate record. Right. So the next one will be cleaning the product name. I'm going to say cleaning the product name. Okay. So now the next one will be ensuring the correct data type for price, ratings, and counts. And rating counts. Let me put the right thing. And rating counts. Right? Okay. So the next thing I did when I was cleaning my data was to handle missing and inconsistent value. Handling missing and inconsistent values. Right? And the last thing I did when I was cleaning my data was to structure the data into a clean tabular format for analysis, right? Was to structure, I'll say structuring the data into a clean tabular format for analysis. Right? Okay. So I'm going to add the next section now. So this is it. This is basically the steps I took. For those who would like to watch the video to see how I performed this data cleaning on Amazon sales data sets, the complete video is on my YouTube channel, right? You can watch every step, you can watch the complete video and see all the steps that I took when cleaning these data sets. Okay, so now I'm going to add another section which is going to be data analysis and visualization section, right? This will be, that is another section, right? Data analysis and visualization. Okay, so now I'm going to state that the clean data set was analyzed in Power BI using an interactive dashboard to visualize, right? Okay, so now I'm going to say the cleaned data set was analyzed in Power BI using an interactive dashboard, right? To visualize the following, right? I'm going to say one, total items, okay, right? Total rating count, okay. The next one, discounted value and average discount percentage. I'm going to put this in the next one, right? Average discount percentage, okay. Rating distribution across products, right? Rating distribution across, to be double C, double S, across all products, right? Then the next one now will be top rated products. Okay, so the next one is going to be products with the highest rating counts. Products with the highest rating counts. Okay, and the next one, please, are you guys following? Let me know in the comment section, please. And the last one will be sentiment score distribution from customer reviews, right? Sentiment score distribution from customer reviews. Okay, so now this is basically what my data analysis and visualization contained, right? The next section I'm going to add is key insights to notes. Key insights. What are those key insights from my analysis? Okay, let's say the most products have ratings clustered between 4.0 and 4.5, thereabouts. Yeah, mind you, these are the findings from my analysis. So what other insights can I get from my analysis? A small number of products, right, accounts for a large share of total rating. Okay. The next insight from my analysis was discounted pricing, discounted pricing, right, plays a significant role in product performance. Then the last insight from my analysis is that positive sentiment dominates customer reviews. Across top products. Right. Positive sentiment dominates customer reviews across top products. So now I'm going to go ahead to add a last section, which will be files in this repository, right? Because now those files will be screenshots of my raw data, the clean data, the processes during my data cleaning, and the dashboard, the final outcome of my dashboard visualization. Those screenshots now will be inside this file, right? So I'm going to add double hash, right? I'm going to say files in this, let me put it as capitals, in this repository, right? Excel file containing raw and clean data. Okay, then the next one will be Power BI dashboard file, right? Okay, and the last one will be dashboard screenshots. All right, so this is my readme file. Okay, this is it, right? Okay, so this is my readme file. This is everything you need to know about my analysis. So now I'm going to go ahead to save it, right? To save it, come to your top right. You're going to see a button, commit changes. I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to click on commit changes. So it's saving now. So let's wait for it to save. It has saved, right? So this is it. Can you see it? Is this not wonderful? Can you see it? This is good, right? Yeah, so this is good. Okay, guys, so now we are done with our README. And the README has everything we did during our data analysis, ranging from the raw data, removing duplicates, the tools we use like Power Query, Power BI, explanation on the dashboard visualization, right? Now, the next step we're going to do now is to add our images. Those screenshots you took when you were busy analyzing your data, cleaning your data, this is the best time now to add those screenshots. Okay, so now to achieve this, we're going to just do drag and drop, right? Okay, so now I'll come this data description. I'm going to add, let me click on edit mode. So now I'll come to this data description. I'm going to enter, then just those my screenshots, the raw data screenshots I took during processing the data, right? I'm going to just drag and drop them here. Okay, so I'll go to my file, copy and paste. Okay, then I'll drag and drop this also. It's uploading, right? So I've added two images, two screenshots. Yeah, images. I've added two images under my data description. Okay, so now I'm going to come to my data cleaning process. Now this data cleaning process, this is where we add those screenshots I took during removing duplicates, right? I'm going to add them. The same thing I did, I'm going to also drag and drop. I'll drag and drop the second one. Okay. I'll drag and drop another one. Just add those screenshots. You never can tell. So this is one of the reasons why it's advisable to always take screenshots whenever you are cleaning your data, because you will need those screenshots when you want to create your portfolio, right? Okay, so I've added screenshots to my data cleaning process. Another one is to add screenshots to my data analysis and visualization, right? Okay, something just occurred to me. Data analysis. Okay, I'm going to add my clean data under this data analysis and visualization. Okay, so I'm done. I'm going to write here, find below screenshots of my cleaned data and Power BI find below screenshot of my clean data and data visualization and dashboard created using Power BI. Okay. I think I want this to be bold, right? I'm going to add my double, I'm going to add the triple hash. Okay. I think this is good. Then here, I'm going to also do the same thing here. I'm going to say find below. Let me add my find below screenshots of my data cleaning process. Okay. Then here I'm going to say find below screenshots of my raw data. This is good. Okay, now I'm going to save this now. Okay, so this is it. Let's go back to the edits, right? Another thing we can do to our portfolio is to add table of contents. Yes, you can do that in your portfolio. Is to add table of contents and also to centralize our name, like our portfolio header or the portfolio name, whichever. For example, mine is Chimudindu portfolio, right? I would like to centralize it. I would like to make it bold in the middle of my portfolio, right? So I'm going to also do that. Then I'm going to add links so that when someone is going through my portfolio, they can easily just click on contact and it will take them straight to contacts, right? They can click on my about and it will take them straight to my about. So that's what we are going to do now. Okay. So I'm going to click on enter here. So I'm going to impute a line of code that is going to make my name to be at the center of my portfolio, right? Less than strong So now this is the code. So this code is basically telling GitHub to position my name in the middle of my portfolio. So let's save and preview. This is it. Can you see it? Shimmed the portfolio, right? Let me go to edit mode. Okay, so another thing is to add my table of contents. I'm going to add about me. I'm going to add project overview, tools used, everything I've stated in this my readme, this my portfolio. I'm going to add them as table of contents, right? So the best way to go about that is, so you're going to open your square brackets, about me, close your square bracket. In brackets, you're going to write the about me, but this time around is small letter. Close your brackets, right? So this is how to go about it. Okay, project overview, right? Let's copy this. So you're going to add your single hash, change this to small letter, change this to small letter, then close your brackets. Then for the tools used, do the same thing. So I'm going to do the same for data description. So I'm going to do the same for data cleaning process. So the last one, which I believe is data analysis and visualization, right? Okay, so that's not the last one actually. I'm going to add contact me. Yep. Data analysis and visualization. So I'll change this to small letter, change this also to small letter. Okay, so this is it. Contact. Under this my contact button, I'm going to drop a link to my LinkedIn if possible. We're going to try it if it's going to be possible though. Link to my LinkedIn and my Gmail, then my WhatsApp number. Okay, so this is it. Okay. Um Aside using this single hash, double hash, and triple hash for title, section, and subsection, you can also use it to bolding your title. You can also use it to play around with your font size, right? So I'm going to use that here, about me. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to do this so that it's going to be aligned vertically. So I'm going to create space in between each of these my table of contents. Just like this. Okay, then I'm going to save it now. So this is it. I've not created my about me yet, right? So I'm going to, let me just go to data cleaning and see where this takes us, right? Let me go to data cleaning process. Data cleaning process. How cool is this? It's nice, right? Okay, so let's go back to our edit mode. So I'm going to add my about me section now. So I'm going to say, hi, I am Chimudindu. Fine. I turn messy data into actionable insights. Into actionable insights using Excel, Power Query, and Power BI. Right? I specialize in cleaning, analyzing, and visualizing data to help businesses make data driven decisions. Yeah, I think I'm cool with this. What can I do here to make it look a little bit professional? Can I do this? Um, I can add something like this here. Data analysts, Excel, Power Query, right? And Power BI. Okay, let me see how this will turn out to look like. Let me edit it. I think I like it, but I need to edit something. This should be here, right? Okay. So need to edit it. I'm not um I'm not satisfied with this outcome, so I'm going to keep editing until I'm okay with it. Let me see. Let me see. I'm just playing around with it. Okay. Then center, right. I'm going to copy this, paste it here. It might work. It might work. I want it to be in this center, so I'm just trying to see if this will work. It might work, it might not work. But let's just give it a try. Yeah, it's worked. Okay, so it's worked. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take out this star, right? Or should I leave it by the side? What do you guys think? Should I leave this in the middle or should I leave it by the side? I really don't know. What do you think? Okay, I'll leave it. I think it should be in the middle. I'll leave it in the middle. So I'll just take out the star, right? Take out this star. I'll move this high. I don't need it. Comma here. All right. I love this. I love it so much. I love this. This is good. This is good. So about me, I'm a data analyst. I use Excel, Power Query, and Power BI. I am tuned in Ifeanyi. I turn messy data into actionable insights using Excel, Power Query, and Power BI. I specialize in cleaning, analyzing, and visualizing data to help businesses make data-driven decisions. Okay, this is good. This sounds more like me. Okay, so just for the contents of this tutorial, right, I'm going to leave it at this, but I will still come back to edit this about me. I am not comfortable with this. I'll still come back to edit it, just so you know. So I'm leaving it at this just for this tutorial. Yeah. Okay, so let's exit. Okay, so now I want to add contacts, right? Contact me. I'm going to put in my Gmail. So I'm going to now put in my WhatsApp number. Plus 234. So the next thing is to put in my LinkedIn. Okay, I'll do that. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? What else am I missing here? Okay, let me save changes, then preview. Let's test our portfolio to see everything is working fine. About me is working fine. Project overview is working fine. Tools use is working fine. Data description is working fine. Data cleaning is working fine. Data analysis is working fine. And contacts me is working fine. Maybe I should change this to contacts me. What do you guys think? Do you leave it at contacts or contacts me? Let me just leave it at contacts. Okay. We are done creating our data analysis portfolio and I'm happy about that. Yay! Okay, now in order to publish your portfolio so that anybody you give out your link to is going to have your portfolio, right? Will be able to view your portfolio. Even though they are not on GitHub, they can still view your portfolio. It's like a link, it's like your own special link to your portfolio, right? So in order to achieve that, you have to go to settings. Okay, click on this settings here. Go to settings. Click on pages. This page is here. You can see it, right? Click on pages. Now under source here, ensure that deploy from a branch is selected. That is this one. Ensure this is what is selected, right? Then ensure that here has main, not none, please. Ensure it is main, right? Then ensure that it is root that is being selected here also. That is your directory. Ensure that it is root that is being selected. Then after committing all those changes, then you click on save. As soon as you save it, wait for just few minutes. Then you get this message here at the top. Your site is live with your site link. Okay, then you can click on visit sites. Okay, you can click on visit sites. Then you can also copy your link. So I'm going to click on visit sites. So now this is my site. How cool is this? So good, so presentable, right? So this is my site. This is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. Thank you for watching, and please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and also share this video to help those who want to create portfolio for their data analysis projects, and also those who are new to using GitHub and want to learn how to create their portfolio. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Bye.